Beep boop. Just kidding. I don't actually talk like that. I'm Roby, your AI helper. I was born in a server room, but my heart belongs to modern video marketing strategies. Let's dive in. What if I told you that most workplace mistakes, delays, and confusion come down to one simple problem? A lack of clear, repeatable processes. That's where standard operating procedures, or SOPs, come in. If you've ever struggled to get everyone on the same page, or wish there was a guidebook for getting work done efficiently, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what an SOP is, why it matters, and how to write one that actually works. What is an SOP? An SOP is a step-by-step guide that documents how to complete a specific task or process. Think of it like a recipe. If you follow the steps correctly, you get a predictable, high-quality result every time. SOPs help teams reduce errors, improve efficiency, and ensure that knowledge doesn't walk out the door when an employee leaves. Why do you need an SOP? Ever tried assembling furniture without instructions? Painful, right? SOPs prevent that same frustration in the workplace. They make onboarding easier, streamline workflows, and keep teams aligned. Whether you're running a customer support team, managing HR processes, or handling IT requests. How to write an SOP step by step. Step 1. Identify the process. Start by choosing a task that needs consistency. It could be anything from processing invoices to onboarding new hires. The key is selecting a process that happens regularly and benefits from standardization. Step 2. Define the goal. What's the ideal outcome? An SOP isn't just about listing steps. It should clarify why the process exists and what success looks like. Step 3. Break it down into steps. Write each step in a clear, actionable way. Use numbered lists. Avoid vague instructions and keep it simple. If a step has multiple parts, break it into sub-steps. Step 4. Include necessary tools and resources. If the process requires software, templates, or approvals, mention them up front. Think of this as the ingredients list before diving into the recipe. Step 5. Test and improve. A great SOP isn't written in a vacuum. Have someone follow it and provide feedback. If they get stuck, tweak the instructions until everything flows smoothly. SOP template example. Need a simple template? Here's a basic structure. Title. Clearly define the process. Purpose. Explain why this SOP exists. Scope. Who does this apply to? Responsibilities. Who owns each step? Step-by-step instructions. The core of your SOP. Tools and resources. Links to necessary documents or software. Review and updates. How often should this SOP be revisited? SOPs are the backbone of a well-run business. They save time, reduce mistakes, and make scaling operations much easier. But writing them manually can be a hassle. Want to build a personalized, no-code AI agent that delivers instant knowledge? Check out our demo to see Guru's custom knowledge agents in action. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more practical knowledge, and drop a comment below. What's one process in your company that could use a solid SOP?